LocalIQ AI has just hit the market, and today we're diving deep into the 7 things you absolutely need to know about it before jumping in. If you're looking for the best AI software that can elevate your digital marketing game, stick around, because this one is loaded with features that can take your strategies to the next level. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know whether LocalIQ is a game changer or not. First off, let's talk about how easy it is to get started with LocalIQ AI. Unlike many AI tools that require a steep learning curve, LocalIQ is designed with simplicity in mind, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Whether you're managing a local business or working on a large-scale marketing campaign, this software allows you to start driving results almost immediately, without wasting any time figuring out complicated setups. And the best part? You can try LocalIQ completely free through the link in the description below. Now, one of the standout features of LocalIQ is its ability to centralize all your marketing data in one place. Instead of hopping between platforms to track analytics, campaign performance, and customer data, LocalIQ pulls everything together, giving you a clearer picture of what's actually working in your marketing efforts. This centralization is perfect for businesses that want a comprehensive understanding of their digital landscape without getting overwhelmed by too many tools. Another impressive aspect of LocalIQ AI is its ability to leverage machine learning for hyper-targeted ad campaigns. If you've ever struggled with getting the right audience for your ads, this software automatically optimizes your targeting. With just a few clicks, LocalIQ's AI-driven algorithms analyze your target demographic and adjust your ads accordingly. The result? More engagement and conversions with less effort on your part. And you'll definitely want to stick around because I'm about to reveal a feature that takes all of this to the next level. LocalIQ also excels when it comes to local SEO. As a digital marketer, if you're focused on driving traffic to a local business, you know how important it is to be visible in local searches. LocalIQ AI optimizes your content, keywords, and even your Google My Business listing to ensure that you're showing up where it matters most. This is especially crucial in today's hyper-competitive local search landscape, and LocalIQ makes this process seamless, saving you hours of manual work. Another feature worth mentioning is LocalIQ's automated reporting. If you're managing multiple campaigns, you can forget about spending hours compiling reports. LocalIQ automatically generates easy-to-understand reports, breaking down your ROI, performance, and other key metrics. It's a massive time saver, allowing you to focus on what really matters, improving your campaigns. Now, here's where it gets even better. LocalIQ integrates with other popular tools you may already be using, such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads. This means you don't have to abandon your existing workflows. LocalIQ works in harmony with your current tech stack, giving you the flexibility to build a unified strategy without disruptions. Last but certainly not least, LocalIQ's customer support is outstanding. The team behind the software offers responsive, knowledgeable support that's ready to help with any questions or issues you might run into. Whether you're a marketing newbie or an experienced professional, their support team is there to guide you through the process and help you maximize the software's potential. If you're still wondering whether LocalIQ is the right fit, just remember this. AI software like this can save you time, improve your ROI, and ultimately help you scale faster. And if you've tried other marketing tools before, you'll appreciate how LocalIQ's intuitive interface and machine learning-powered features stand out in a crowded space. I've tried thousands of AI tools in my time, and I can confidently say that LocalIQ is a solid choice for anyone looking to up their digital marketing game. And for those of you who want even more options, I've listed some of my recommended AI software in the description below. So go ahead and give LocalIQ a try for free and see if it's the right solution for your needs. Trust me, it's worth testing out if you're serious about taking your marketing efforts to new heights.